Hi friends, today we are gonna count the colors. So first we are count how many are the oranges. So now we are gonna start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 oranges. And now we are gonna count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 yellows. Now we are gonna count the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 blues. Now we are gonna count the brown. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 browns. Now we are gonna count the red. 1. There's 1 red. And now we are gonna count the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 greens. Enjoy your counting with Eminem and keep watching my show and enjoy.